How to scale your Shopify dropshipping business? I have questioned to you. You are already, I think, making few sales every day, 10 to 15, but this is not a big scalable business. My friend, I am working with every day 50 plus dropshipper. They are very, very big dropshipper. And I, in my research or in my experience, 5 years, I talked with them every day. Their secrets, their systems, their working process, that how they are making scaling their business. So in this video, you will see step by step in my free video exactly proven systems. I have noted, I have write it, so everything, no problem. It's very, very open for you. Just copy this. I hope you will scale your dropshipping business within 10 orders to 50 orders. First step, strengthen your foundation. So winning products only. Don't try scaling a loser. Your product must already have consistent sales plus positive ROAS. So, so your first step is you will scale your business with a winning product, which is making small sales, high converting store, fast load speed, clear product page, strong reviews, urgency, trust pages. This is the secrets my dropshipper saying that when you will make a stores, your product is okay, no problem, but after come to your product page, your customer, they will see that it's a very, very, very beautiful store. Everything they have, like what they demand, what they're asking, need, everything have more benefit, more testimonial, customer reviews, this all everything have. So it means conversion rate will be higher. So next step, fulfillment. Work with a private supplier like me. Fast shipping, stable stock, 24/7 hours, everything, customer support. So every problem I am solving. But if you work with a public like AutoDS, Zendrop, CJ, you will not get them face to face. And you can share everything with me, private label, packaging, fast shipping, return, refund, every problem I will solve for you. If you can see in my video, I have listed like AliExpress is dead, dropshipping suppliers. If you want this types of video, you can just see I have showed you the proven systems, proof, data, how I'm working. So next step, scale paid ads. Yes, if you want to scale, you have to must come to in paid ads. No organic dropshipping, no free method, it's not working. For scaling, Facebook or Meta ads is very, very effective. Start with CBU scaling. Yes, increase budget. You have to budget your increase. Duplicate to 20 to 30%. Duplicate winning ad set, higher budgets. To create lookalike audience from purchases, ATC or video views. So you have to budget your ad and then lookalike audience just build from purchases, okay? And TikTok ads for scale creatives. Use Spark ads, UGC plus influencers. The test broad is targeting after finding winners. Next, Google ads. Add Google shopping for and performance max for long-term stability. Good for capturing. In these three platform, I suggest Facebook is very, very best for scale, because this is the secrets my dropshippers say Facebook is the best to scale. Okay. Step 3, increase average order value. Upsells and cross sales. Buy 2 get 10% off. Bundle with X for $5 off. One click post purchase upsells. Apps like Reconvert or Jeeply. Free shipping. Okay, free shipping on orders over $50. So step number 4, back end profits. This is important, but also you can avoid it. I mean, email flows, Slavio. This is from one of my friends who told, but you can avoid it. I mean, like email marketing. Okay, so you can marketing on Facebook or Meta, no problem. And then we will go step 5. So leverage influencer and UGC. Partner with micro influencer. If you have to find a small influencer like under 50k follower, 10 to 50k followers, their rate is very, very low. In your budget, you will get a very, very good business. So run their content as ads. UGC works better than polished ads. I'm sorry. So step number 6, build systems and brand. So hire VAs for customer support. Yes, so you cannot be handle your business alone or yourself. You have to hire the VAs who are very expert, like customer support, email support, creative testing, finding winning product, then running ads. This all freelancer or VA you will find, or you can ask me, you can contact me, I can help you, okay, with my team, no problem. Negotiate with supplier for custom packaging. When you will get a lot of order, we are giving a good, very offer, like if you have 50 plus orders daily, we will give you free private label packaging, custom, no problem, branding. So you can also tell me how many orders you are getting right now. I can give you a very good offer. Start retargeting with brand focused ads and build long term trust. If you cannot build a brand in dropshipping, you will lose these games, my friend. I can promise you. Dropshipping is not for 1 month, 6 months. It's for lifetime. Today Amazon, today a lot of big dropshipping or e-commerce platform, they build a brand, but I see many dropshipper failed because they didn't think as a long-term vision. They think in 1 month we will be a billionaire, millionaire. No, my friend, this is not like that. Without building brand, sorry, please don't start this business. So next steps, or the last step, is scaling formula. Example, product selling cost $30, COG $10, I mean the cost of goods, so profit margin is $20. Yes, it's simple. If one ad set spends $100 and makes $300, so 3x ROAS, so scale to 500 a day, so it's invested more. So at 3x ROAS, that's 1.5, okay, revenue at today, I mean 1.5, so 45k a month with just one campaign. Okay, very simple calculation, but when you will start it, you will see a lot of problem, lot of things. So no problem, I can help you. So this is the scaling formula. Please comment below how many orders you are getting daily. So in the private, or you can contact me on my social media, we will discuss more. Definitely we can scale your business. Okay, so that's it.